Have you ever searched for a service near you and wondered why certain businesses always show up at the top of search results? It's not luck, it is local SEO. In today's digital world, having an online presence is not enough. Businesses need to optimize their websites specifically for local searches to get noticed by potential customers in their area. Whether you run a small shop, a restaurant, or a professional service, local SEO can determine whether your business thrives or struggles to compete. And here's the exciting part: if you really want to take your SEO career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying career in SEM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert marketing content. Now let's explore the key strategies to optimize your website for local SEO. Making websites mobile-friendly and fast loading. One of the most important factors in local SEO is website performance. Think about this: when people search for a service on their phone, they want results immediately. If your website takes more than a few seconds to load, visitors will leave and go to a competitor. A slow-loading website can kill your rankings and your business. Search engines, especially Google, prioritize fast websites in search results. But speed is not the only issue. Your website must be mobile-friendly. More than half of all online searches happen on mobile devices. If your site is hard to navigate on a phone, you will lose potential customers before they even see what you offer. So how can you improve your website's speed and mobile usability? Use lightweight images and compress them without losing quality. Choose a reliable hosting provider with fast server speeds. Enable browser caching so that visitors do not have to reload everything each time they visit. Use a mobile responsive design so your website adapts to any screen size. A well-optimized, mobile-friendly website means more traffic, better rankings, and higher conversions. But here's something shocking: did you know that a 1-second delay in page loading can reduce your conversions by 7%? If your website loads 5 seconds slower than your competitors, you could be losing half of your potential customers before they even see your products or services. Think about this: if your business makes $10,000 per month online, a slow website could be costing you $700 or more in lost revenue every single month. Search engines like Google penalize slow websites by pushing them down in search results. The reason? Google wants to prioritize user experience, and slow websites drive users away. Even worse, most visitors never return to a website that frustrated them once. So if your website is not optimized for speed, you are not just losing rankings, you are handing over potential customers to your competitors on a silver platter. The best part? You can fix this problem right now by optimizing your images, using caching, and upgrading your hosting. Every second counts, and your business's success depends on it. Schema Markup for local businesses. Now let's talk about something that most business owners ignore, but it can dramatically improve local search rankings: Schema Markup. Schema Markup is a special type of code that helps search engines understand your business better. Think of it as a way to tell Google exactly what your business does, where it is located, and how customers can contact you. For example, if you own a coffee shop, Schema Markup can highlight your business name, address, phone number, opening hours, and even customer reviews in search results. This makes your business stand out and increases click-through rates. Adding Schema Markup may sound technical, but tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper make it simple. All you need to do is select your business type, fill in the details, and generate the code. Once added to your website, search engines will instantly recognize your business details, improving your local SEO. If your competitors are not using Schema Markup, this gives you an easy advantage to rank higher. But what if I told you that Google secretly judges your business based on hidden signals? Many business owners think Google only looks at keywords and backlinks, but there's an entire underground ranking system that most people never consider: structured data. Schema Markup acts like a VIP pass that tells Google exactly what your business is about, helping it decide where to rank you. Businesses without Schema Markup are like nameless shops in a huge marketplace, while those using it have bright neon signs pointing customers straight to their door. But here's the crazy part: some businesses using fake Schema Markup, listing themselves as 5-star businesses without real reviews, have been banned from Google rankings altogether. That's why it is crucial to use schema correctly. Google is smarter than ever, and it can instantly tell whether your business information is legit or manipulated. If you are not using Schema Markup, you are making it 10 times harder for Google to trust your website. And in local SEO, trust means visibility, traffic, and paying customers. Embedding Google Maps and location-specific landing pages. If you are running a local business, your website must make it easy for customers to find you. One of the best ways to do this is by embedding Google Maps on your website. Think about how people search for businesses today. If they are looking for a gym near them, they are likely to click on a result that shows a map location. Embedding Google Maps helps customers see exactly where you are and makes it easier for them to visit. But there's more. You should also create location-specific landing pages. Let's say you run a plumbing business and serve multiple areas. Instead of having a single page for all locations, you should create individual landing pages for each area you serve. Each page should include a headline with the city name, a Google map showing your business location, customer testimonials from that specific area, local keywords related to your service. By doing this, search engines recognize that your business is relevant to multiple locations, boosting your rankings in each area. But let's talk about something shocking. Google Maps is actually a high-stakes ranking war that many businesses are losing without even knowing it. Did you know that 60% of mobile users searching for a service never scroll past the first 3 results on Google Maps? That means if your business is not in that top 3, you are practically invisible. But here's where it gets even crazier. Google Maps rankings are not just about location. Google actually ranks businesses based on reviews, engagement, and even how often people click on your listing. Some businesses even hire fake reviewers just to manipulate rankings. But Google is cracking down hard on review fraud, permanently banning businesses that try to game the system. If you want to win the Google Maps war the right way, focus on getting real customer reviews, keeping your business details accurate, and adding new content regularly. Because in local SEO, the businesses that appear on Google Maps first are the ones that make the most money. Internal linking strategies for local search. Internal linking is a powerful but often overlooked SEO strategy. It helps search engines and visitors navigate your website while boosting your local rankings. Here's how it works. Let's say you have a main service page for home cleaning. Instead of leaving it as a standalone page, you can link to other related pages like carpet cleaning in Paris, deep cleaning for homes, eco-friendly cleaning services. This creates a network of pages that search engines can easily crawl, improving your website's authority. A strong internal linking structure reduces bounce rates, keeps visitors on your site longer, and improves your overall SEO performance. But here's a little-known trick that Google secretly loves: contextual internal linking. Most businesses just link random words to random pages, but Google actually rewards websites that use internal linking in a smart way. Imagine you own a real estate business. Instead of just linking to a general "Contact Us" page, you can create a strategic web of links from best houses in Miami to Miami's top real estate agents to affordable Miami apartments. Google sees this as a content network, making your site more relevant for Miami real estate searches. The result? Higher rankings, better user experience, and more leads. Some SEO experts even use AI-powered link mapping to create perfect internal linking structures that Google cannot ignore. The best part? Internal linking costs you nothing but can skyrocket your local SEO if done right. Contextual SEO backlinks for improved local rankings. Backlinks are the backbone of SEO, but not all backlinks are the same. For local SEO, you need contextual backlinks from trusted sources. Imagine this: you own a bakery in New York. If you get a backlink from a local food blogger or a news website featuring your bakery, it carries more weight than a random link from an unrelated site. So how do you get high-quality backlinks? Partner with local influencers and ask them to mention your business. Get featured in local directories and news sites. Write guest posts for local blogs related to your industry. Encourage customers to leave reviews with links to your site. Building strong backlinks from local sources helps increase your authority and trustworthiness, making it easier to rank higher in local searches. But there's something most SEO gurus never tell you about backlinks. Not all backlinks are good for your website. In fact, some backlinks can actually destroy your rankings. Google uses a secret algorithm to judge backlinks based on authority and relevance. If your website gets backlinks from spammy, low-quality sites, Google considers it a bad signal and your rankings could drop overnight. Some businesses even try to buy thousands of backlinks, only to wake up one day and find their website completely removed from search results. On the other hand, one high-quality backlink from an authoritative local website is more powerful than 100 backlinks from random blogs. That's why context matters. Getting featured in a local news article, a trusted industry website, or a well-known business directory is SEO gold. And here's the insider secret: Google favors backlinks that come naturally from real engagement. That means if people are sharing your business because they love your service, you will rank higher automatically. Local SEO is the key to success for any business that wants to dominate local search results. By optimizing your website to be fast, mobile-friendly, and structured properly, you increase your chances of attracting local customers and outranking your competition. From Schema Markup and Google Maps integration to internal linking and contextual backlinks, every step plays a crucial role in boosting your visibility. If you really want to take your SEO career journey to another level, Enroll now in Transform Academy limited advanced marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying career in SEM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert marketing content.